Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're dealing with a dairy farmer who is using a storage silo that is in the shape of a right cylinder. We have a diagram here. We're told that the volume is 72 pi cubic yards. Now, how do you find the volume of the right cylinder? Well, it is the area of the base, which is a circle, so pi r squared, times the height. Right, and this is going to be equal to 72 pi. Based off of our diagram, we know that the height is 8 yards. So we have 8 pi r squared is equal to 72 pi. Dividing both sides by 8 pi, we're left with, on this side, 8 pi and 8 pi cancel out. We get r squared is equal to pi and pi cancel out. 72 divided by 8, which is 9. So taking the square root of both sides, we get r is equal to, since the square root of something squared is always the thing itself, and then we have the square root of 9, and this is going to be plus or minus 3. Now, the square root of 9 is just 3, but when you're taking the square root of r, it is either going to be the positive value of r, right? So the square root of r squared is either going to be r or negative r, right? So if you have negative 4 squared, in the square root, that's going to be the square root of 16, which is 4, which is not the same as negative 4. We can think of it as negative 4. So that's why we have to have the plus or minus here. But that matters for solving the equation. It doesn't actually matter for the solution because we're dealing with volume, we're dealing with real space. So a radius, right, a length, can never be negative. It has to be positive. So r equals 3. Is that what they're asking? No, they're asking for the diameter, which is 2 times the radius. So diameter d is going to be 2 times 3, which is going to be 6, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.